Being born and raised in a humble family taught me about hard work, the meaning of sincerity, and the importance of appreciating every step of the way. From there, I learned that dreams aren't determined by background, but rather by the strength of intention, determination, and effort required to make them come true. Born and raised in a land rich in history, art, ethnic culture, language, and many diversity that exists in North Sumatra, a country that taught me to stay strong, brave, and love every step. Sumatera Utara merupakan mozaik keberagaman budaya, dari Batak Toba dengan semangat tortor si Pitu Cawan, Mandailing dengan gordang sambilan, Karo dengan gundala, Simalungun dengan tortor somba, Nias dengan lompat batu, Pak dengan tata manapu kopi, Pesisir Sibolga dengan tari sapu tangan, dan Melayu dengan serampang 12 yang mengajarkan kesantunan dalam memadu kasih. Sebagai seorang mahasiswi, saya yakin dan percaya bahwa budaya dan ekonomi bisa berjalan beriringan. Melalui UMKM, saya ingin memberdayakan pelaku lokal agar karya mereka seperti kain tenun, kuliner, dan kerajinan tradisional tidak hanya menjadi simbol budaya, melainkan menjadi sumber kesejahteraan dan menjadi ikon suatu daerah. I want to prove that preserving culture does not mean rejecting modernity, but rather as a foundation for a region's identity. Preserving culture is an obligation, especially for me who has a great responsibility for the good name of the earth where I stand. I'm Makaila Ataya, born from simplicity, grew up with culture, and ready to bring a new spirit for an empowered and cultural North Sumatra on the stage of Mr. Miss Cultural Indonesia 2025.